In a small town, Bob was known for his loud sneezes. One day, he sneezed so loudly that windows rattled and birds flew away. "Bless you," shouted his neighbour, Sarah, from across the street. Bob chuckled. "Sorry, Sarah, I think I just set a new record." Meanwhile, in a distant city, a scientist named Dr. Jones was monitoring seismic activity. "We've detected a sound wave anomaly," he announced to his team. "It seems to have originated from Bob's sneeze." Everyone laughed, realising Bob's sneeze was the loudest sound since Krakatoa. Hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment to support us.